This week, this video is a little bit different. We're right before Thanksgiving, moving towards the end of the year, and it is my favorite time of the year. I love Thanksgiving from now all the way till we get to Christmas. Love this time of year, and it means a lot to me and my family. But the main reason I make this video today is that I'm here to thank you who have subscribed to this channel. Whirlwind Family Farm has been here for a few years, but this channel started last March, and we really didn't have a great focus on what this channel was going to be. We knew that we wanted to take the gardening process further along, but we really didn't know how to go about that. But as time has gone on, we realized really what the focus of Whirlwind Family Farm should be, and that's to simplify gardening. There's so many good channels out there that early on I learned from. There's so many great books that I went through and gathered information that were very helpful to me. But it becomes apparent that there's a lot of data that has to be gathered and put together before you finally can figure out exactly what you need to do with a market garden or just a small backyard garden. It can be daunting if you've never done that before. So as we move forward with this channel, we realize the main goal was to take you further along in the gardening process, and in the meantime, make it as simple and uncomplicated as possible. So that is what we strive for each week on this channel. And the reason I tell you all that is we are so grateful because there are so many who subscribed early on and spent one of the most valuable things you have, and that's time. And you watched our videos and went through that early period that was a little painful when we weren't quite sure the focus of this channel, but slowly it came into focus as to what we were to do. And that, again, to bring you simple, easy, straightforward information on raising vegetables and putting together your garden. So, as I said, I love this time of year, and I'm so grateful for everything I have, my family, my health, where I live, this garden, and being here in the Texas Hill Country. So simply what I want to say is thank you to every single person who subscribed to this channel, spends time watching it, and our promise to you is we want to get better with our presentations and things that we show you and our techniques, whether it be landscape that we show you here in the Texas Hill Country, or simply how to put down compost or when to put it down. Things such as that we want to get better at and make it as simple and easy as possible and take you further along in your gardening process. So thanks to each of you that invested that time. We hope that more of you will tune in, check us out, subscribe as we move forward with this channel and bring you good gardening techniques which are simple and easy to understand. So blessings over you, your family, your garden, your harvest, and thank you so much. As we go into Thanksgiving, we are thankful for you as the viewer and those who have subscribed. Talk to you soon from Whirlwind Family Farm.